ones, then you should using dot 2 from our crystal pickers. So I'm planning to have my fusion ink, but I didn't. That's why you're seeing a matte look. All right, see, I'm gonna gear this one good. Flash gear for 30 seconds.
Oh, crucial. Yes, we do have a jar of frame only. Look for our gold and silver frame, metallic frame.
Yes, we do have that frame. There's just so many different frame and the style on that one. Okay, so that one did. Let me see. We have this one here, first and a second. It's different. Can you believe that it's come from a $5 nail art sections right there? I'm gonna fill with the our precision glue. A little bit. So to double secure that.
Last year, 30 seconds.
All right, so let's go into, what should we do with this one? Should we do this one?
Oh, yeah, you
This
should.
one looks good.
You should.
I should, huh?
That's hot.
Okay, I should do that one. I really want this one too.
So crucial, yes. If you want to look for them, just go into the metal design section. So there, go to your drop down list, go to metal design. It should show up easily. Oh, there's always the search bar up top.
Crucial. That's. Thanks so much, love.
Yes, and if you guys want to go back to like a lot of Nancy old video, she used so much frame.
I love the frame so much. It's just kind of compliments for the designs as well. Hello, Facebook. Thanks so much for tuning in. And then we are going to using a no wipe top coat. So I move my hands a bit so then that way it won't in your way. Okay. Should go that way?
Oh no,
Should
the
we-
crystal should go the other side. Yeah.
This one? So it
Like
doesn't matter, whatever you want. Look at that, it's come with the 3D crystal in there. So cool. Ooh, babe. That's it. When we get opportunity due to this one, if you're doing it with the clients, you can pre-made. Take a little bit longer. But also with this one, when you do this and when you add more crystal on it, our crystal 3D rays like 3D 40s is at least $30 per nails with the crystal on it. So I'm not sure. It's every salon is different price too, but then when you're doing your 3D, just imagine it that if you have to sit doing all of this, it would take you at least half an hour to really like molding this one. So make sure consult with the clients. If you are not sure how you can able to approaching your clients and consult clients, I do have the videos that we talking about that. Not in this one. It was the one it's past couple weeks, few weeks, talking about how you can approaching the clients with the different price for the services. How you approaching them without they are feeling like, oh my God, is too much. Like, because if you tell the clients, okay, this set is $200 or $150, the client said, what? Like, Did you get your like dinner with that, or you get your oil change with your nails? You know what, people not in the industry or never get experience like that, they might have a little bit of offense on it, and I get it, absolutely. If I don't understand, it's a lot of things, like I would do the same thing. But if you consult with the clients and help them understand it more, like the same thing, you can't order the same, like for instance, you're going the Starbucks, right? You order your the tall side versus to your grandates and your venti. They are different price. They are not the same price. All right, so then it's just like the same thing with your nails. You get a longer shape, a longer length. I mean the long length and then the medium length. There's different price. They are not the same. So, but we want to approaching and share with the clients with really professional, hey, live vast, without make them feel like we are overpriced, charge them. We are not. So the more detail, the more nail arts we put it on there and cost them more. Like the same with this. I remember it take me an hour to like really mold this one, because sculpting this, because it takes time and let it set before you do anything else. You can't just doing it right away. If you're doing it right on the clients in your time frame, each client's in 1 hour or 2 hours, depend. You can't sit there and sculpting for the clients right away. So I'm gonna kill this one for 60 seconds. You happy with this? Before I'm like start moving more, and then like all of you will stop me. So with this, we'll save us so much time. At least it's take us away from like at least half an hour or more. So then you can do something else, take your breaks, you know, or finish the clients faster, and then you're still able to charge the same price as you're doing, because it's a pre-made. It's not like just mass produced. It is done by humans, like techniques and hands and everything. So it saves you time. It's buy your time back for you. I'm so happy with this, and it do the same work. So the fourth thing, when we're waiting for all of you who just